So you need to promote yourself and design an awesome Facebook ad. To do that, go to canva.com. You have a link in the description. It's a free tool, and just type in over here Facebook ad. Click on it and you have lots and lots of templates over here. Let's click over here under the price to be free. Let's use this one for example. To change the text, click on the text, double click it. Change now, change the color, click over here inside and up here change to be red. And to keep the branding, click on this ornament over here and change also to be red. And now to change the over here, also change there to be red. And to change the image, just click on an image, go to photos on the left side and type in fitness for example. Find the image, just drag and drop it over here and you have your Facebook ad ready to be uploaded to Facebook. Just click over here, download, and download in a PNG format.